Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everyone. Guten Tag, Alex, Kanal 6751. Moin, moin, moin. Hello to the German friends. Hello to the English friends. Welcome back on a new trading session today on a beautiful Friday on the 19th of December. We are going to see, guys, if we are going to hit some take profits today. Let's see. We don't have many news today. Sadel Kanfui 1335. Hello to you also, my friend. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So, as we can see, we don't have any big impact news. At 4 p.m. we have some medium impact, but we are going to be out, I think, really early. So we have now 30 minutes past 12. Let's go directly into it, guys. Let's directly dive into the market. And let's start with the daily time frame, like always. So yesterday we made some bearish moves. Today we continue with the bearish move, as you can see. So we're going to mark out the previous highs of the last session, of the last daily time frame. The daily candle, just up here, we have our zones. Okay. So we're going to delete this. We're going to clean up a little bit. Actually, we can leave this buy side liquidity because this is really important for me, this area here. Let's see. So what is the market planning? So as expected, guys, the last days, I told you already, as soon as we are going to dip into the zone where we have like this previous highs and the all-time high, we're going to get a rejection. Okay, I tell you why. Because when you see in the past, the last candle that was inside it got highly rejected. So we are I predict that we are going to get a certain reaction on it, and maybe we're going to hit the trend line and push further up. Okay, we need to get some more volume, and maybe we're going to even come down until this zone. Maybe that's what I predict. But I think we need to have a certain drawdown. So maybe we're going to look for sells today, depending on the market condition. Let's check it out, guys. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, you see this? This is insane, man. Look at this candle, guys. Look at this candle. I think this was yesterday where we have high impact news. Like, this is insane spikes to both directions. So we have pressure from below and also pressure from above. Okay, otherwise price wouldn't do this. Like, there was many people buying and selling on both sides. That we have a result like this. There are people who want to push the price further up, and there are investors who say like no, we reached the zone here and we want to sell off from here. Okay, Onur, good morning. Hello Abish. Welcome to the trading stream, to the last one this week. Welcome, guys. So currently 4-hour time frame. 4-hour looks for me in a consolidation. We're going sideways so far here. Taking this off, and we are slowly making our way down with the time frame, and we take our time. We don't have any FOMO, guys. It's really important. Fear of missing out. We don't give a fuck. Like, even when we miss out a really good position or opportunity, then maybe we are not going to trade. Okay, I take this really serious. So let me see here in the 1 hour. In the 1 hour seems like a trend line to me, but not really clear. It's not a really clear trend line. Like, yes, we're doing some steps up, but not really clear. So 30 minutes. 30 minutes, trend line looks more clear for me. Also, we have here the moving average. We are above the moving average, but price is going down currently. Let's check up the sessions. Really important, guys. Our sessions. Sydney, Tokyo. Of course it's New York, man. Of course it's New York making spikes like this. Look at this, dude. Of course. Rejection from both buyers and sellers. The best scenario right now is taking no trades until further confirmation. Exactly. I think from middle January market will be better again. Volume, yes, that's true too. December is also a really hard month. Some of them say it's 1 second. Hey, good morning, baby. You're live. You're on YouTube. How you doing?
Wow, very funny.
Okay, I'm going to close, okay? I need to do the live stream.
Okay, viel Erfolg, baby.
Danke, baby. Love you. Bye-bye.
Love you, bye.
I was still in a call with my girlfriend. Sorry, guys. So, let's come back into the focus. We are reaching here a zone above here, like this zone is really interesting for us. I'm going to mark this zone out. This is the previous Sydney and Tokyo high, and also it's close to the previous high of the daily candle. Let's go and dive deeper in. Yeah, in the 15-minute we can clearly confirm that this is a trend line, as like a beautiful uptrend. We have multiple touch points, but price is looking for this trend line right now. Like the first dip in, and now we got some weak candles. So maybe we're going to touch this level down here, but we are still not there. Let's see what price is going to do, because you can see here clearly like how many moves we made out of this zone here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves, 5 confirmations. For people who says trend lines don't exist, they do exist. Really important part here. Okay, guys, let's check and wait. Did you trade New York yesterday? No, I didn't trade New York yesterday. Luckily, no. Luckily, no. Blessed family. Yeah, bless your family too. Thank you, man. No, I don't trade the New York sessions currently because they are... No, man. I don't want to be inside any position when New York is open. It's too much volume, it's too much manipulation, it's too much up and down. Like, they're hunting liquidity, they're hunting like everything, man. It's hard to predict currently, the New York session. Like, you see this? I don't want to sit inside this. So London session is more chill. So we're breaking this low here with this candle. So this is no financial advice, guys. I'm going to go and sell this right here. We are going inside the market. No financial advice. Please risk by your own. I am not responsible for any trades. It's a really fast one, but we are reaching once again this level, and this time we're going really steep down this level. So I predict we're going to crack this level really soon. Okay. I've made my entry. Just 25. So let's be fast in here. Let's be fast in here. 26. I'm going to take some also here. Sell position. So the first TP we're going to take is 24. Almost same setup like yesterday. 24, 22, 20, and 16. Stop loss we can put at 30, just like this. 16 is down here. Are we going to hunt this level once again is the question. Something like this. Something like this. This can definitely be a risky one, but I'm going to try this, guys. I'm going to try this setup. On a Friday. So let's see if price is going to break this level or if we are going to try push further up. Let's see, let's see. So 30, let's set our take profit targets. So 24 is just here. 24, 22, 20, and 16. Stop loss is going to be at 30 for me. Just up here. Let's see if this is going to play out as we wish. TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. Okay, guys. So as I say, no financial advice at this point. I'm not responsible for any wins and losses also. So let's see. Okay, we have currently a win streak of, I think 8. Yeah, current win streak of 8 winning trading setups. So I still believe with this down pressure, maybe this is going to be the last move. And then we are going to go down. Or this is going to be a breakout. Hopefully it's not going to be this breakout here. Because I see a lot of selling pressure in here. Like the steepness of the sell-off we're getting at this level here is strong. And we are still below the 50-minute moving average, which gives me a safe feeling. As you can see here in the 50-minute, we have the zone where we have multiple reactions and our stop loss is just above this level here. So let's see if they are going to give up their positions up here and pushing this market down. Let's set our alarms. 22, 24, and what I say, 30. So 24. That's the reaction I wanted to see. Beautiful. So, this is a beautiful reaction. Look at this, guys. We have 5 minutes to go. We have 5 minutes to go, and you can see this kind of reaction, like pushing up, shooting up, couldn't make it, and going down. And now we're getting some push again. This is crazy. Let's see what is going on here in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we have really crazy volume right now, also in this area, but let's wait. Let's wait, drink tea and see if we are going to shoot up and hit our stop loss or... Come on, bro. We was so good in our way down. Now we're making a breakout to the upside. Let's see if we're getting a certain reaction out of the zone here in the 50 minutes. More, come on, dude. I need 10k today. Sorry, don't need... Like, what the fuck, Jerry? Come on, Sellers, show your power. Yeah, let's see. Let's check it out. Ah. We're in a good amount of drawdown. I don't like this, but... let's check it out. Man. This 50-minute closure is really dangerous, as you can see here, guys. This one with this big wick to the downside spot. We're getting the first reaction out of the zone that I just marked. But there are still 3 minutes to go, guys. Still 3 minutes to go. When is going to be the 1 hour candle opening? In 13 minutes, okay. Man, buyers are coming in like, you're insane, bro. Like in this level of rejection, like that lot of volume and we're getting so much buyers now back in. This is insane, guys. Look at this. Look at all the sell confirmation to the top. Look at this reaction. Market is squeezing in. We bet on a bearish move. But it seems like the price want to continue further up. Let's see. Let's see, guys. We still didn't hit our stop loss. 1 hour candle is really weak currently. Fuck, man. Yeah, the buyers try to do some moves here. But we still have these levels here, like this top levels here on the left side. So I'm totally fine with it if we hit our stop loss. We're still not there, but stop loss is a really good thing to speak about now. You need to be fine with the losses. Like before you enter the trade, you have to know, like, I have always this fixed range with my entries. It's always like 4 or 5 points difference here. And you always have to be fine with the loss before you enter it. Like, because when you fine with it before you enter, your emotions are like turned off. It's for me like this. And I just can give you the advices, guys. Like, if we take a losing trade today and we made 8 winning trades in a row, we have to be fine with it. We have to be fine with it. So, our entry was maybe a little bit too early here at this point. Okay? There was no clear breakout. There was no clear confirmation. But I take often early entries because the move that is coming after, as you can see yesterday, for example, we make like an insane breakout, an insane push to the downside, like, and there is no time like to set your take profit targets and entering the market, because then you have like really wide spread with your positions, and that's what I don't like. So I try to catch sniper moves, but this move so far want to burn us. Don't burn us. Yes, we should make believe that stop loss is the price to run the business. Exactly. Exactly. It's also a really important part. But we are still not out, guys. We are still not out. Okay, we are still not out. Price tried to make its move here. We have the zone here. Reaction from sellers. Yes, hopefully like big reactions. But they can retest this zone here. As soon as we break through the zone and we are breaking through this trend line from the up, I'm good with my position. So this is the reaction we are getting now from this top zone here. That's what you can see. Price dipped into the zone, dipped in the previous, and then we got like this bearish moves. Great candle closure. We still have 1 minute 50 to go with this candle. Let's see if the other candle want to the next 1 minute to close this, or are we going to push back down and maybe back to our entries, which will be really nice. So we just touched the moving average in the 1 minute. We're getting a reaction on it. That's the reason why I love this indicator so much. Let me see and think about the London session. Like, oof. If this 50-minute candle closes like this, bro, like in a negative way, like now, mwah, guys, mwah. This could be a waterfall, man. Like an insane drop. Like an insane drop. Like I'm telling you. Like if this 50-minute candle is going to close like this with high rejection and slipping back into this trend line, dude, make yourself ready to eat some take profits. But it's still not confirmed, guys, because we still have 5 minutes to go and price is pushing back up. We take this, guys, we take it. If it is going to be a loss, we take it. We tank it. I'm able to tank multiple losses like this. Let's have patience. 6 minutes to go for the new 1 hour candle. I'm really curious how this new candle is going to open. Five-minute candle closure. Bearish. 50 minutes. I want that this 50 minutes candle closes like really bearish, man. Because this is the last candle. So, I'm taking a real quick break. I'll be right back, guys. So we are back and the 50-minute candle is going bearish. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, but we need to be aware about the 1 hour candle that is going to open now. Both candles, the 1 hour looking steep down, guys. Steep down, okay? Both of them looking really steep down. We have a nice 50-minute rejection up at this level. Look at this. We made all this way up here and we got rejected in the 50-minute like this way. And we are going to close at this level down here. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient. Okay, 50-minute candle closed like this with this high rejection and the 1 hour instantly shooting down. Let's go on a 1 minute time frame to see what is going on here. We slip back through it and look at this, guys. We're slipping back, almost back to our entries. Now we're on the 5 minute. And let's see if we can crack this 5 minute EMA, the moving average. We crack it, but there's still a lot of time to go. And we are shooting down, guys. Really steep, really steep. Let's see how the 1 minute is going to close. 1 minute is going to close now. And we got a rejection from the trend line below. Let's see if you can crack this. You're getting a certain reaction. All we need, guys, is a breakout. We need the candle closure below this trend line. And then we're going to have a nice waterfall. Okay? That's our trading plan. Nice crack through the zone. But we're getting high rejections at here. A lot of volume, guys. A lot of volume inside here. As you can see, we have a lot of volume. And we are cracking through it. Price want to hunt this level down here. Come on. Come on, sellers. Let's sell this off. Nice. We crack also the previous low of the 1 minute. Now it's depending on the candle closure. We got another reaction. The third one. And candle is going to close bearish. You see this volume, like this insane shooting up and down. A lot of market reaction. A lot of market reaction here. But we are making new lows here. What is the 5 minute saying? 1 minute 30 to go. Five minutes to go. 2 seconds, 1 second. So we have a level here, definitely. We have a level here where the price is struggling to push further down. We have multiple tries. So 30 seconds to go on the 5-minute candle, which is nice. So we can have maybe a retest afterwards. Let's see if price is going to close like this. 20 seconds to go on the 5-minute candle. We're pushing further down with a big bearish move. Lovely move at this point. Lovely move. And we are dropping like a waterfall, guys. Look at this candle closure and candle closed. So maybe we're going to have a little retest now to the upper trend line. Or maybe we're going to just waterfalls deep. Let him test the level above. Almost same setup as yesterday, guys. Like, this is the first breakout since this morning or this night. So we retested this level up the top. And we are still betting on a bearish move. Let's check out this candle closure here in the 1 minute. We closed like this. So let's be back at our patience, guys. We are back at our entries. We are already a little bit in profits here. Of course, we have a lot of volume, but we need to have patience. High reactions, guys. High reactions. A lot of volume, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's check out this candle closure from here. If we close, man, we're closing beautifully, man. We're going to close this beautifully. 10 seconds to go. Look at this. Look at this. How price is blocking this engulfing one. Nice candle closure at this point, and we are going to hit our take profit 1. TP1 is just got hit. Guys, TP1 is hit. We can confirm the first TP in here. And we are pushing further down. Like insane drop. Insane drop at this point. We was so close to hit our take profit 2 targets. So this level here is really important now for us, guys, because we're getting a certain reaction on this level here. In order to crack TP2, we need to crack this liquidity we had here in the past. So as your preferences, you can set your stop loss to break even if you want. For me, I'm going to take some half profits out of here because I had one early entry. Ha ha ha, never doubt Onur haters. Thank you. But we are still not there where I want to be honest. But we have like this really steep push. Look at this 15-minute candle, dude. Look at this 15-minute candle. Insane. So we are at the zone. We crack the zone. Beautiful. Take profit 2. Whew, let's go! On a Friday, guys. On a Friday. Take profit 2 hit. And I'm going full break even here, guys. For the rest of my entries, I'm going full break even. Full break even, guys. Dude, what is going on, man? Set our alarm at 20. Look at this catch, guys. Look at this catch once again. I'm going on full break even here first. 25,38. 25,38. I'm on full break even now, guys. I'm on full break even. Woo! What a trade. What a catch. What a trade, guys. What a catch. What a trade. Once again. What a trade. What a catch. Wins in the chat, guys. Come on. We catching moves once again like this. We are catching moves. We are destroying the market even on a Friday like this. TP2s just got hit. We was close to our stop loss, but we trust the process. We trust the setup. So far from our entries down to TP2 is like 400 pips like always. So let the market do its move here. We touched also into the zone here, into this liquidity zone here, where we had like this upsell in the past, but we still don't forget the 50-minute time frame. Look at this big ass candle, man. This is a high big rejection candle at this point, guys. Okay, there's a high rejection candle at this point. So we'll look and wait for the push further down. 5-minute candle, still 3 minutes to go, but really weak reactions because we have this big ass drop here. I said that was choppy, buying structure same as yesterday, creating liquidity down. Yes, win streak changed to 9. Exactly. Thank you for remembering me to change our win streak to 9 trades in a row. We are already in a winning streak. Lovely trade, lovely setup here so far. So I leave my break even just like that. It's like we have nothing to lose anymore. We already harnessed some wins out of this trade. Of course, the 5-minute is trying to react now, but I don't think that we are going to shoot up that fast back to entries. So the strategy is simple, guys. The strategy is simple. The strategy is simple. We have a long buying move, right? When we see something like this, like in the previous, you can see prices dropping. We come to an end, we're getting some reactions on it, and we continue, go slowly upwards. Do you know what is happening in the market? This means that we slightly and slowly getting in an overbought market. And this zones up here is like, for me, an overbought market. And when we have multiple touch points on a trend line, like here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Like, if there are even more touch points, so you can expect an even more impact in a certain breakout. And this is what I'm trading most of the time, okay? As soon as we have a breakout, we get like this big moves because we're cracking a really important level, and this is this trend line. So this is why I'm telling trend line are working. There are a lot of traders who are trading trend lines. And the point is to check how the market is reacting to the zone when we're getting like to a certain zone, like in the moving average here. And mostly price is trying to push, like with the breakout to the up level, can't make it, like it's like the last push and go back then down. So guys, we set already the break even. 5 minutes is going to close bullish at this point because we have like here this little buy side liquidity, as you can see here. This is a buy side liquidity. As you can see, we touched into this zone here with this price and price reacting on it. So what I love to mark for myself also as advice for you guys is I'm looking for aggressive zones. What is an aggressive zone for me? For example, this is an aggressive zone here, as you can see. Here also, this is an aggressive zone. This is a zone where the market dipped in and react really aggressive up. You see this? Like a rubber band, like a bow, man. You're stretching a bow and you leave it, boom, it's shooting up. And these zones are really important for me. Like this is a zone where we have a lot of orders, okay? Like some of you are trading with order flow or changing from ICT back to order flow. But these are zones for me that are crucial. And these zones I love to mark out because I expect that we have a nice reaction on the zone. And then I just wait for a nice breakout. Sometimes I go in with a double bottom or a double top. Sometimes I go in with a normal supply and demand. But price maybe is going to stop us out with take profit too, but it's fine, guys. We set our break even. We harness already some profits. And we got this reaction from the zone here. It's fine, right? TP1, TP2 for Friday, still fine for me, 400 pips. Do you offer mentorship? Of course I do. I also offer one-to-one coachings. Then I'm only with you and with the one person. I'm giving all my knowledge that I gain in the years where I was trading with emotions, with everything I had. And this is like the crucial information you need in order to get profitable. I'm sharing this. Of course, it's not for free because I went through hell for this information. I went through hell by myself in order to get profitable. Currently, we're having a winning rate of 84%. Maybe now it's need to be more, maybe 85. Our profit factor is above 3, which is really, really good. Like even when you're above 2 is already really strong. But being on a profit factor 3.12, my profit factor is 3.12, then it's really like we are playing on the top, guys. Like with the precision we have in the markets currently, and in order to make 27 trades in a row, winning trades in a row, is insanely good. So, if you're interested in a mentorship program and a one-to-one coaching, you can hit me up on Instagram if you want to send me a DM, a private message, like, hey, I am an ANXXQ from YouTube. We talk about the mentorship, and then we're going to find a solution for you. We can make a nice plan for you, and then I'm going to be on your side until you're going to be profitable. So let's see if we're going to hit our break even. Yes, my break even is already hit. I am out of this trade, guys. I am already out of it. But we waited for the breakout. We catch the breakout on a Friday. We're going to end this week with only wins. Only wins. Let me see how many losses I had, like, in my MetaTrader this month. Well, I started late on this month. I started at 1st December. No, I started in 1st December. I got one setup losing and a second setup losing. Yeah. Like I don't see nothing more here. Was 2 setups that I lost in this account so far. So let me see the chat. took 100 euro. My door was able to no value gap. So all good. Your setup was top notch. Have a nice day, all. Thank you so much, Alex. Thank you so much for your advice there also and for your feedback. I normally trade FIBs. I see. Okay. When did you start trading, Onur? Man, I am now 32 years old. I'm getting in the February 33. The first time I traded was when I was 19 years old. I trade options. I was an options trader in this time. There I had like the first payout, but it was more like option trading was more gambling, man. I had a system with a lot of indicators from a guy from YouTube, and I started to make there something with it. But yeah, I did some profits and also some losses. Break even hit for me. I'm going to post this in the Telegram group, so we have nothing to hide, guys. Okay. And then, man, I had a lot of breaks in between it. I lost focus of trading, but the last 3 years, like continually, we are trading Forex, especially XAUUSD. Like we are totally in. We are totally in. And it took some time, man. I went through hell to gain a certain, I would say, skill that I have now. It cost me a lot of nerves, man. I had times where I had depression, and I was so many times like, okay, I'm going to give up, man. I'm not going to do trading anymore. But soon as I understand what my mistakes was and what was my biggest problem, it's yourself, guys. I can tell you this all the time again. The biggest problem are not the strategy, it's you, and it's only you. It's always you, man. I can feel it, bro. Me also, man. Yes, we all go through hell, man. We all go through hell. Bro, don't stop trading. You are really good. Thank you so much, man. This means a lot from me, man. This means a lot from me, and I'm really, really happy that you're always getting some profits with me. I'm happy to share my signals and making people, changing people's lives, man. This is a nice point. So, and we are just starting now, guys. We are really just starting now. There are big plans are coming into the trading community. As I say, like soon as our Telegram group is going to hit 250 people, we are going to close the free signals. We're going to open the Discord community. All the people who are then in the Telegram group are going to get an LTA rank in the Discord group. So this is a lifetime access to all my signals for all your life. Okay, you're going to be always VIP. You don't have to pay a cent. Okay, only if you say like, okay, I want to have a mentorship, or I want to one-to-one coaching, then of course it's going to be with money, because it's also my time and energy to coach someone in a one-to-one coaching. It's really, really affordable. But for the people with the first 250 in the Telegram group is a really nice advantage. And after then, the group is getting closed, and we're going to put in a subscription fee, a monthly subscription that the rest of the community have to pay in order to get my signals, you know? And the free signal group that we are in now, there we're going to post maybe 1 or 2 signals in the week, so the people can see that we are winning. And the people with the LTA, they're going to get switched into the VIP group. Okay? So that's the plan for now. Yes, it's just the beginning. My first day here, I used to trade bigger moves, but beautiful trade, respect. I'm going to stick with you and learn from you. Being pretty bad this year. Man, shit happens, Zetin. Shit happens, my brother. So the people are getting a lot of hate also on Instagram. To make this clear, guys. Okay, to make this clear. We have a negative risk-reward ratio because we are opening multiple positions where we are harness multiple take profit targets, and we have one big stop loss. So if we hitting a stop loss, like the losses can be a little bit bigger than the wins, but it's fine. And why? Because risk reward don't define profitability in trading. Okay, a risk reward ratio don't define profitability in the long term and the consistent trading. Like you can see how good and how often we hit take profit 1 and take profit 2. Okay, and soon as we hit take profit 2, I always go full break even. Sometimes I also take profit 1 and I go break even depending on the market condition. But people are hating me because I'm posting a reel where we hit all these take profits. They say like, man, you take profit or your risk reward is shit and blah blah blah. And I'm asking myself, bro, I having an 80+% win rate. Okay, an 80+% win rate. And most of my trades are going to hit TP1, TP2, TP3. Most of my trades. You can see, go on the Telegram group. You can check the Telegram group. You can go and scroll all the way up how many oftentimes I'm hitting like big targets like TP3. TP3 is like 600 pips, guys. Like TP3 is just like 600 pips here. You can see it. We measured. It's around about 600 pips. Okay. People are hating because they come from a mentorship where you trade ICT or big moves. And I don't like to trade. I can make you an example, guys. There are people who are trading like this, and I respect it. It's fine. It's a different trading strategy. They trade, for example, like this high, the previous daily low, okay? And they make their stop losses like this, okay? And sometimes, bro, sometimes price is going up like this way, going up and halfway, and people are here already at this level. They have already like 1,000, 1,500 in profit. They close nothing. They don't take any profits. And what is price is doing? Sometimes they go and hit back their stop loss. And they got nothing about it. You understand what I mean? This is not trading for me. Like, you understand? This is not trading for me. Like, this is betting on a really huge amount and a really huge scale that I'm not comfortable with it. And I respect the other side of ICT who are trading these big moves and taking profit only when you reach this level. And then maybe when you're on a half, maybe they go then on break even is not the thing that I'm going to do. You know? And it's also depending on yourself how you're going to trade my strategy. You can also make like just one, when I put here, like the risk reward today was like 2 to something like this, 1 to 3, only when you trade one, when you only trade one position. So when you trade only one position and you put it on take profit 3 and you ignore take profit 1 and 2, okay, then you have maybe a positive win rate. Positive risk reward, I'm sorry. It's all depending on you guys. Like this strategy, this kind of trading is working for me. It's working for my emotions. It's working for me mentally. And this is the most important part. Like soon as something is working for you and you're fine with it and you really rarely lose a trading, like who in the trading setup have like 84%, bro? There are really a couple of people who have 84% win rate, man. Like there are not a lot of people. Even the top best world trader, like the trader in the world, he have 70% win rate, and he was he got like the head of the best trader in the world. He have 70% win rate. We are running 80, 82. And even when we are taking take profit 1 and 2, and it's just a little bit, it's fine for me, man. It's fine. We won already. So there's one point I want to tell you also in trading. We are a cat, bro. We are only a cat sitting at the sink and trying to nap a little bit of water. That's what a cat is doing. And that's what we are doing in the markets. That's what we are doing in the markets. We are getting profits. Like, you know what I mean? For example, now we had the breakout move here also. And we didn't set our break even. What will happen now? We will go and hunt our stop loss and we wouldn't have nothing from the day. We had so much stress here. We had so much stress and price is reversing and hitting our stop loss. We didn't make nothing out of that money, you know? That's the part, guys. That's the part. And for the Friday, I'm fine with it. Take profit 1 and 2 once again. Even 1 to 1 and taking partial is a safe thing. Yeah, true. We need just 50% with 1 to 2 risk reward and we are profitable at the end of the month. It's crazy. Yes. And also, bro, there are really big hedge funds. There are really big banks who are trading with a negative risk reward. They're losing even more than they win. But the wins of them is also reversed. The wins of them, they are so big, they don't even care. Some of people have 40% win rate. Like the really, really big players. Some of them have 40% win rate or less. But the 30 or 40%, they are so big, they cover all the losses. So you cannot define trading with risk reward. It's all about profitability. It's all about consistency. It's all about statistics. Even when you have a negative risk reward, but you're still above 80% and you're still above 2 or 3 profit factor, you're profitable. The statistics never lie, guys. The statistics never lie, and that's the biggest part. You have to learn. Because today I wake up, man, I check my reels, I see, man, you're trading negative risk reward. Who do this bullshit and blah, blah, blah. Bro, I gained my FDMO, I passed the FDMO challenge. The statistics says I have 80+% win rate. So why should I change my trading style now? Just to fit into the perspective of other people. You know, when something is good, some people are trying to break it. Never forget this, guys. When something is good in life, people are trying to go destroy it. But okay, man, I talked too much today. I'm so sorry, guys, if I talk too much, but this was my emotions. And me as a mentor, me as a trader, I want to share also my emotions with you. Talk it like a lion. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you, my love. Let them bark. Yes, exactly. Let them bark. So we let them bark, guys. We don't give a fuck. We closed this Friday with Take Profit 2. We made our 400 pips. It's okay. I'm fine with it. We don't even trade New York session at the moment because New York session is a storm and I want to make calm and nice trades. So guys, that's it for today. That's it for Friday. I'm happy that we win another day and a win streak of 9. I wish you a really great weekend, a really nice time with your family. If you are go and sorry, my English sometimes. If you go and celebrate Christmas with your family, that's what I wanted to say. I wish you all good, guys. We see us on Monday, okay? And where is the other guy who are asking for the mentorship? And if you're still there, hit me a DM for mentorship program. We can talk about it, and then we can find a solution for you so that we can get you profitable as soon as it's possible, okay? Love is out, guys. See you next week. Bye-bye.